Flow2one Plus Instruction Manual. Precautions before installation. No obstacles should be within the surrounding area, 250 millimeters away from the unit. The unit should be at a height of more than 1.5 meters above the floor level. Install the unit around a wall socket or use an extension cord. Installation. Take out the wall bracket of the unit. Use a leveling rod to make sure the bracket is in a horizontal position. Mark the mounting hole on the wall. Calculate and mark the center of installation. Remove the wall bracket of the unit. Use a wall drilling tool to drill a hole of 160 millimeters on the wall where the installation hole is marked. Take out the two-way flow duct into the installation hole. Make sure that the up pattern on the flow duct bottom plate is facing up. After using a leveling rod to make sure that the two-way flow duct is in a horizontal position, push the two-way flow duct into the end of the hole. Use a leveling rod to make sure the unit is in a horizontal position before installation. Mark the mounting holes onto the wall. Remove the wall bracket of the unit. Drill holes for the marked positions. After drilling, take the plastic anchor from package kit number 1 and insert it into the hole. Attach the wall bracket. Take out the screws from package kit number 1 and tighten the screws. Take out the hanging rod. Take out the long screws from package kit number 2 and attach the 2 adapters to the hanging rod. Take out the unit. Use the short screws from package kit number 2 to attach the hanging rod to the unit and install a gray rubber stopper. Attach the unit to the bottom plate of the wall. Screw the body with the screws in package kit number 3 and insert the white rubber plug into the screw hole. Connect the power supply and the appliance will be ready for use. Complete the remote setting between remote control and the product itself as soon as the remote control is activated initially. Press and hold the smart key at the bottom of the unit until the panel screen is flashing, and then release the key. Press and hold the power key on the remote control, and then the panel screen will display this image. This means the remote setting is completed. Switch the power on. Smart mode automatically detects the indoor quality and adjusts the input-output. Purifier mode. Purify the air at high speed. Fresh air input at medium speed. Low speed with quiet operation for you to sleep tight. Place your hand on top of the product. You can feel the fresh air coming from the outside. Fresh oxygen air for every breath you take. Flow2one Plus. More fresh, more health.